Hello my beautiful people out there, good day to you all. How you guys doing? I've missed you guys all and I believe you missed me as well. As you all know, every week we teach ourselves Yoruba language. Today, what we have to teach ourselves is Yoruba Poem. And what's the title of the Yoruba Poem? It is titled Farm Work. Farm Work, which Yoruba call Iṣé Àgbè. Iṣé Àgbè. Can you pronounce that with me? Can you say that after me? Iṣé Àgbè. Iṣé Àgbè. Farm work. Iṣé Àgbè. So the poem is being taken this way. It goes like this. Iṣé àgbẹ̀ níṣẹ́ ilé wa. Ẹni kò ṣiṣẹ́ yóò máa jalè. Ìwé kíkọ láìsí ọkọ́ àti àdá kò ì pé o, kò ì pé o. Can you sing that with me? Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ níṣẹ́ ilé wa. Ẹni kò ṣiṣẹ́ á máa jalè. Ìwé kíkọ láìsí ọkọ́ àti àdá kò ì pé o, kò ì pé o. The translation of this beautiful poem, of this wonderful poem, is farming is a work in Yoruba land, and whosoever that do not do farming may later in the future become a thief. Iṣé àgbẹ̀ níṣẹ́ ilé wa. Farming is a work in Yoruba land. Ẹni tí kò ṣiṣẹ́ yóò máa jalè. Whosoever who do not work will later or sooner become a thief. Ìwé kíkọ láìsí ọkọ́ àti àdá kò ì pé o, kò ì pé o. Being educated without cutlass and hoe is not complete. Is not complete. Is not complete. Because we value farming in Yoruba land. One more time, I'm going to sing the poem. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ níṣẹ́ ilé wa. Ẹni kò ṣiṣẹ́ á máa jalè. Ìwé kíkọ láìsí ọkọ́ àti àdá kò ì pé o, kò ì pé o. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Love you guys.